Seneca College has a few different labs, the fire alarm protection lab as well as the sprinkler protection lab, a releasing systems lab, all of which contain real equipment, fully functional working equipment that you can get your hands on and experience how they work, so that when you do go out into the world and start working on those systems, they're the same systems you're dealing with in the labs or what you're dealing with out in the real world.
The reason why I like the labs is because when you're reading from the book, you see pictures, and then right away you're allowed to go in and touch and feel all the parts and see all the moving parts. There's so much to remember, and when you see it in the book, it's kind of hard, but when you actually see it firsthand, it's great. And then you can actually test it out with being supervised by the teacher.
Our labs are extremely high tech, to the point where we have different companies coming in and doing all their training within our labs. In the sprinkler labs, the students are going to be exposed to the four main types of systems within the industry. There's wet systems, dry systems, deluge systems, and pre-action systems. We have all of those set up in our labs already. The students will be brought in, shown them. They'll be shown how to start a system and where the system ends, and how to assemble it and disassemble it. They'll learn how to test the systems, and this will really help them in industry, because when someone starts talking to them about the different types of valves and components within the system, they're going to be well aware of them because they will have seen them in the lab situations already.
My favorite lab would be the sprinkler lab, when we got to set off a fire hydrant in front of the school and test the water pressure. So I got to open up the fire hydrant. I got totally soaked. But it was a lot of fun just to see hands-on how to do it instead of just reading in a book.
Seneca has many different computer labs. Students will be exposed to computer-assisted drawing labs, where they'll be using AutoCAD, HydroCAD, AutoSprink, and SprinkCAD. Those are the main types of software used in the fire industry today, as well as computer-assisted drawing courses. They'll also be exposed to fire modeling.